Hi, today's tutorial name is How to Enable Quick Checkout in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder Plugin. Let me clear first what Quick Checkout is. This feature in WooCommerce streamlines the purchasing process, reducing friction and increasing conversion rates by allowing customers to complete their orders with fewer steps and less hassle. In general, 3 steps are needed to be passed to proceed billing system, but quick features will directly reach you in the billing stoppage. So, to start this process, go to the settings of ShopBuilder dashboard. And go to the modules to enable quick checkout. While enabling this, turn on the next option. And this is the button text where you can fix your text according to your needs. For example, buy now. Then enable show button text in shop page and then turn on show checkout button in the product page. Even more, you can customize your button text position What's more, style your button and button text on the shop page and product page. You can customize checkout button height, button padding on the shop page, and similar customizations are also in the product page with some extra items like checkout button background color, the text color, and the hover background with hover text color. Now, save your changes. Back to the shop page to see, but still our buy now text does not visible instead of add to cart. Because we need first to disable add to cart button and enable quick view button. This time buy now is visible here. Click update for final save. This is how it works by one click for direct placing by order. Thank you for watching.